Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Before we continue to the presentation topic, let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Rahma Fauziah, and I will be the moderator in our group presentation today. The members of our group are Hesti Fauziah and Sani Lukmanul Hakim. Here we will present about food waste, which is a significant problem in the agriculture sector and has a greater on the environment, economy, and society. The following is a series of events that we will go through: opening, delivery of material, and closing. Okay, let's start with the delivery of material presentation session. The first material will be presented by myself. Okay, here I will explain the background of the presentation topic. Our research topic is food waste in Indonesia. The goal is to determine the effectiveness, characteristic, relationship between farmer knowledge and the impact of food waste, fermentation, and agriculture. Conducting this research using the method of interviewing five respondents to the lecturers of Siliwangi University Agriculture and also the assistant lecturers of agriculture. Next. Here are some questions that we asked the respondent, namely, first, comparison of the effectiveness of compost versus chemical fertilizers. Two, characteristic of post-harvest food waste in rural areas. Three, relationship between farmer knowledge and the amount of waste disposed of. Four, the effect of food waste fermentation on soil fertility. Next, the second material will be presented by Sani Lukmanul Hakim. The time and place are at your disposal.
Okay, objective and benefit. Reduce waste generation for the waste account for approximately 41.27% of total waste in Indonesia of us 2022 from management is essential to this creation of raw waste volume. One product organic fertilizer food waste can be composed into organic fertilizer, enriching soil quality and reducing reliance on chemical fertilizer. Generation biogas. Strong anaerobic process food waste can be convert, converted into biogas, providing a renewable energy source. Three, create employment of opportunity. Two, food waste processing industry offer new job opportunity in management, waste management and renewable energy sector. Next, in one, compost or versus chemical fertilizer effective. Chemical fertilizer. The as of is faster to be absorbed by plant and result are instant. But if the use of chemical fertilizer is excessive, it will damage the soil in the long term. Will the use of this compost is slower compared to the use of chemical fertilizer. Around it take 2 months forward to be absorbed by the soil, and but the use of this compost fertilizer is much more uh, env- environmentally friendly and can also improve soil structure. Compost take time but has sustainable benefit. Next, of post-harvest waste characteristic. Dominant waste. The waste produced after the harvest is more dominant in straw, fruit, vegetable peel, stream, packing residue. Uh, Cartridge, highly perishable, under underutilized in rural areas. Uh, Next material by HSD.
Okay.
Thank you to Sani Lokmanul Hakim, who has explained the objective and benefit of this interview and material. Okay. For the last material, it will be presented by Hesti Fauzia. The time and place are at your disposal.
Okay. Farmers' knowledge and waste management. High knowledge, waste repurposed, compost, livestock feed. Low knowledge, waste discarded. Next, impact of fermentation on soil fertility. 1. Fermentation speeds up decomposition, reduces odor, and enhances soil nutrients. 2. Soil becomes healthier but requires adaptation after long-term chemical use. Next, recommendation. 1. Farmer education. Training on organic waste processing. 2. Fertilizer combination. Chemical short time plus compost long time. 3. Technology adoption. Local microbes. MOL, MBO to accelerate fermentation. Thank you.
Okay. So, the conclusion. 1. Compost is good in terms of time and is sustainable fertilization process, although it is not as fast as using chemical fertilizers and tends to be slower. 2. Post-harvest waste will have more potential as fertilizers if we can process it. The third, farmer knowledge is the key to reducing waste. 4. Fermentation is very good for increasing soil fertility naturally. Okay, next. Uh, okay, this is the documentation of our interview. This is with Kang Rizky, the assistant lecturers of agriculture, and this is with Ms. Mutia, the lecturers of Ziliwang University Agriculture. Okay, that's the presentation from our group. Hopefully, the material we presented can be useful for all of us. Thank you for attention and participation. Sorry for our mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.